It's beach day! Hi guys, we're going to the beach again. So like this is like a part 2 to like the beach.
It's gonna be bigger, better.
Yeah, bigger, better beach day. We'll see you guys there.
Babe, for the next 30 minutes, I'm tanning.
But I want to play.
No.
Okay.
30 minutes. So, somebody really brought the phone charger, but no cord for the phone charger.
I don't know who did that.
My phone is dead, baby.
That wasn't me. It wasn't me. Don't blame me.
Whose phone charger is it? Yeah, so weren't you in charge of getting the cord too, my love? Yeah.
Just go back to tanning, okay?
Okay.
Babe, can we go play now?
It hasn't even been 5 minutes.
How long has it been?
Like 3?
Are we done yet? Let's go play.
20 minutes. I already changed the time to 20 minutes.
Let's go play. I want to play. Baby.
Baby. It's my time.
Please?
Same.
Fine. Can we go do something now?
Baby.
What?
It's been 30 seconds.
I know, but I don't want to just lay here.
I do.
Why?
Just for 20 minutes.
Why?
And then we'll be done.
Why?
And then we can do whatever you want.
Why?
Because I want to get at least a little bit of a tan.
You already look tan.
Because I want to be more tan.
What?
That tummy is not a pocket for my popcorn.
What?
Not a pocket for popcorn.
Your belly button is a pocket for popcorn, though. It's a popcorn holder.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. So we went swimming, but I just want to.
So ignore the crazy hair.
I just want to point something out real quick. She looks like she peed her pants.
I didn't.
You peed your pants, babe.
No, I didn't.
Baby, you peed your pants.
Does it look like that in the back or just the front?
No, you look good in the back.
No, I didn't. My swimsuit's just still wet.
Baby, you peed yourself.
No, I didn't.
Baby, you peed your pants. But you still look beautiful.
Well, thank you.
You still look beautiful.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you too.
Ready to go get the special? Baby, do you want to explain what it is?
They're all vegan. They're all vegan donuts. And I've been craving donuts so bad, and they're all vegan.
Okay, calm down.
Which one do I want?
I don't know. Look at all that.
I want this one. I don't know what it is, but I want this one.
You can get a big bite. Oh, that was a little bite. Oh, heaven.
Donut.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. What is that, heaven?
It doesn't even taste vegan.
Doesn't even taste vegan? What does it taste like? Give us a descriptive detail.
So chocolatey and yummy and oh my god.
Oh goodness.
I don't even feel guilty eating this.
Take a big bite. Oh my. Oh my. Take another big bite.
Baby,
What?
calm down.
Oh, you want me to calm down?
Oh my goodness gracious.
Take a big bite, baby.
Don't judge me for getting a dozen. It's not just for me.
It's just for her. Take another big bite, baby. Oh, okay.
We're still sitting in the parking lot. I couldn't wait.
Okay, you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to go home now?
I might eat 3 today. No, I want to eat 3.
Give me donuts.
Just 2.
When your girlfriend is driving, you gotta hold on for dear life. Dear life. She is not a good driver. Dear life. Huh, baby?
I can't see anything.
Exactly, you're a scary driver. Yes, you are.
Baby,
What?
I want another donut.
Oh my. Oh my.
So yummy.
Oh,
The
baby.
entire point of me being vegan is to eat healthier, but like it's so good.
Oh,
to let me
baby.
enjoy the little things.
Yeah. God. We just wanted vegan cookie dough.
But now we have it. My dad brought some home.
We got vegan cookie dough. I'm not even a vegan, but the vegan cookie dough, can you knock it off, Siri?
So good.
The vegan cookie dough, oh my goodness. If y'all can get your hands on it, get your hands on it. But while Rachel is driving, we hold on for dear life. We hold on to dear life. Is it a puppy fest?
Yeah.
Puppy fest?
Yeah, it's a puppy fest.
It's a puppy fest. Attack him, baby. Here, wait, blow in Nico's face. Do it. See what he does. Get him, Nico. Get him. Get him. Oh, boys. Oh man, baby, how you look so beautiful.
I don't know, my hair's kind of crazy. I look like a lion.
But you're so pretty.
I think you're seeing something different than I am.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys have any cool video ideas you guys want us to do, or you guys have any video things or like part 2s to anything.
The shout out this week goes to RAM_IREZ1. So it's Ramirez with an underscore in the middle.
Thank you for watching RAM_IRZ1.
IREZ.
Same
Same
thing.
thing.
Same thing.
If you want to be shouted out, all you gotta do is send us a screenshot that you follow us on our Instagrams, TikTok, and YouTube, and you might get shouted out.
Look how beautiful she is. Look at how beautiful. Oh my God. God just made you fantastic. Just made you amazing.